I think the hard part is sometimes just finding motivation to do stuff when you constantly are pushing the boulder up the hill. And so last week, for example, we were at an event, which was great. I did 5 days in Amsterdam, 3 days for the event, and then 2 days of just seeing people locally. I always try to see somebody when I'm in a different city that I know. In this case, I saw quite a few people, which was great. But it's finding that energy or motivation to keep going. That's pretty hard. Well, yeah, I mean, the good thing is meeting with people and getting feedback, getting inspiration from other people. So when you're working on something and you're building something, you forget sometimes the nuances about what you're building or the good stuff. It's very easy to become critical about what you've done or forget how far you've actually come. So what's good about it is when you start showing other people that never did it before, you can see based on their reaction whether you're on the right track or not. And that can be inspiring. And I'm actually reading a very good book at the moment called The Mom Test, which I'd recommend reading if you're building something. Because there's a couple of things that when you talk to somebody and they say things, different phrases, it's not exactly a buying signal. It's not even a confirmation that you're on the right track. So it's a really good book to read. I'm not going to paraphrase it because I haven't read it in a couple of days, and I'll misquote it, but it's definitely worth reading. Now this is going to be quite a silly one, but because we did the event, it's actually going to come down to the packing that I did. So I packed expecting it to be quite a formal event. So I had suits and smart dress shoes and all that kind of stuff. And ironically, the whole environment was actually counter that. Everyone sort of was in jeans and casual shirts and, comfortable shoes and stuff. And after walking around 3 halls in Rai, which is the Amsterdam Convention Center, in smart shoes, I really felt the pain by the second or third day. And I always have a thing that if I'm in a new town, I always go for a run the first morning that I'm there. And then I do the day I leave, I also go for a run, like a sort of routine that I have. And I really struggled on the last day to run. My feet were so sore. So I think it's one of those, the lesson is to pack more suitably. And I think some of the older things about dressing very smart for these things is out the window. I think everyone's kind of gone past that and they're kind of going for comfort over form.